Thank you so much for the comment and welcome to episode 1 of How We Getting Paid. So today we're going to be talking about real estate content. We actually have someone that submitted their question. I spoke to them back and forth via DM. So let's go ahead and hop into it. The question isn't about real estate content per se. The question is actually, how do you create content when you're just getting started? So we're going to answer that for you in this particular episode of How We Getting Paid. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to take a look at what you already have in your hands, right? So if you've done a real estate deal already, I want you to talk about that real estate deal. If you've connected with real estate folks, I want you to talk about how you connected with those real estate folks. I want you to talk about your opinion about real estate, houses that you like, houses you don't like, neighborhoods that you like, neighborhoods you don't like, all that good stuff. Everything is going to be basically strictly opinion based upon your expertise and what you do know right now. Contrary to popular belief, a lot of people believe that content is supposed to happen once you become successful. That is not true. There is different levels to success, and we all know this. There's levels to this. And success is based upon what you define it as, right? I would call you successful for obtaining one home and being able to do that. I would call you successful for just getting out there and getting started with content creation. There's different levels to the success. But while you're creating content and you're brand new, in the beginning, you are going to feel a little bit like, why am I doing this? Why am I even here? It is just inevitable. It will happen in the beginning. You will need to find your why and deeply connect to your why in order to push through. All right. So usually when I ask folks, what is their why behind your content? I get a surface level answer. I want to help people. I want to inspire people to be better. I want to tell the story so that folks know what's possible. That's mine. Yes, that's the surface level. But then I want you to go a little bit deeper. What is your selfish level why, right? So your selfish level why is I want to be able to make more money. I want to be able to possibly sell courses or sell an ebook or have a community of people that I speak to. All of it is okay. It is okay for you to want acknowledgement of your expertise. It is okay for you to make money from the experience and the expertise that you have. So here are your action steps, and here's what I want you to do in order to monetize. I want you to start to connect with real estate professionals in your niche and in your area. Okay. I want you to go to real estate events, and I want you to start to podcast and interview people and have conversations. What this is going to do is it's going to make you the creator of your own platform. You will have a platform where not only will you go to folks and folks will say, yes, I want to be a guest, and you'll be able to build connections and relationships, but you'll also have a platform where people will come to you and look to you as the expert because you've created a platform. So go out there, make those connections, and get started creating your content today. My name is Jessica. I go by Joss Speaks Digital. Thank you so much for watching. If you want me to do yours,